Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I'm Monica, and in this occasion, I will show you about the course curriculum and material development. So let's check this out. In the first slide, when I shared the file of the materials learning today, in the steps to learning activities to the first meeting, there are activity, learning syntax, and activity description. The first activity is preliminary and activity description. The teacher checks the physical readiness of the class before learning, and after that conditioning a pleasant learning atmosphere, and teacher records student attendance. Then build appreciation by asking previous material related to the material that will be discussed now, and motivate students by emphasizing what is the importance of mastering English, and after that explain the learning objective. Then the teacher asks questions related to the intention to carry out an activity to find out the background knowledge of students regarding the intention to take an action. Next step is core. There are stimulation, problem statement, data collection, data processing, data verification, and generalization. And the activity description is listening or observing. The first is listening to the teacher's explanation regarding the intention to carry out an activity. And the second is you should observing the slide explanation about the simple future tense related to the intention to do an activity. And later I will explain about the future tense for the example. And after that, pay attention to the example given by the teacher related to the intention to do an activity, and watch a video related to the intention to take an action with the correct speech and word stress, and paying attention and analyzing the expressions in the video related to the intention to do an activity. The last is students mention examples of sentence related to the intention to do an activity that is in the video. And then the student asking things that are not known, which are not understood, or which differ in relation to. Okay, next for the example, I will show you how a simple future will be explained by the teachers. Okay, the first, simple future tense. The function of simple future tense yaitu untuk menyatakan suatu kegiatan yang akan dilakukan atau menyatakan suatu aktivitas yang terjadi di masa mendatang, akan dan selesai di masa mendatang. Then the formula of positive sentence is subject plus will or shall plus verb 1, and then subject plus to be going to plus verb 1. For example, I'm going to the beach next holiday. We will spend the time together, and we will watch the horror movie in the cinema. In the future tense, there are time signal like tomorrow, next week, next time, later. And will have a meaning akan. Jadi will di sini berarti akan atau kehendak. Like I will visit you, saya akan mengunjungi kamu. Or it is my will, itu adalah kehendak saya. Is for negative sentence. The formula is subject plus will or shall plus not plus verb 1, or subject plus to be plus not plus going to plus verb 1. For example, she will not go to the beach next holiday, or she is not going to buy the apple, or they will not watch the horror movie in the cinema. And the time signal same as positive sentence. For interrogative sentence, the formula is will or shall plus subject plus verb 1, or to be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1. For example, will you get the point? Will they buy the ticket? Or are you going to study tonight? And the time signal same as the positive or negative sentence. Okay, then how to use will or be going to. Okay, we use will for future facts, prediction, offers and promises, and instant decisions. and we will use be going to for plans and intentions and predictions based on the evidence. I think that's all from me. I hope you understand what I mean, and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.